Hi, okay, I got a package, and yeah, okay, it doesn't have an address on this part. Okay, it says, "Hi, please make video of you opening the package. Can't wait to get my stuff." Yes, your stuff has been sent out. So yeah, it says, "Do not bend." Okay, so I'm scared I'm gonna cut something, so let's see if I can, hold on. Okay, wow, we really jam-packed this stuff in here. Alright, is this the note? Okay. I don't know if you want me to read this, but I'll read it later. Okay. So, she gave me, these are cute. These are so cute. Wow. These are cute. Then, and I bet these are more. Alright, let's see what's next. These are so cute. It's Tangled. I love Tangled. Let's see. This is so cute. It's like a squishy cake. I don't want to squish it because I don't want to ruin it, but it's so cute. That is adorable. Alright, this is modeling clay. That's cute. Thank you. That's awesome. Oh wow, these are my deco pieces. They're so cute. Alright, I gotta hurry this up because I only have a little bit longer.